Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. We're diving right in. I just received my Sephora sale haul. I want to open it live with you guys because it looks like someone has been playing soccer with my box. But while I'm getting a scissor and getting this opened, if you're unfamiliar with the Sephora sale, 2 times a year they do the Sephora savings event. It is going on right now from November 1st to the 11th, and you can go in and shop for a discount. I happen to be part of the tier that receives a 20% discount, so I do definitely take advantage of that the 2 times per year. I also will take advantage of saving up my points so I can get some extra goodies added in, some freebies, and they also offer like Affirm and payment plans and things like that. So I just hope everything's okay in my box. And I will have a video very soon testing out all of these goodies. I happened to just get out of the shower and it came, and I don't want to put makeup on my face, just full transparency, you guys. So this is going to be a short and sweet little unboxing. All right. It seems like everything is here. The only kind of little casualty is the bottom of the foundation got ripped off, so I'll talk about this first. This is the LYS Beauty Triple Fix Serum Skin Tint Stick. I opted for the shade MN3. I'm hoping that I like this because I've heard great things. I will swatch it really quickly for y'all though. Oh, that is super creamy, like breaking off creamy. I'm excited about that. That's kind of a good sign though. I'm not always a fan of like cream foundations and stuff like that because I personally feel like sometimes they don't blend out the easiest, and because I do have dry skin, I kind of have an issue with them sometimes. I don't think I'm gonna have that issue here. So, oh, already off to a good start, you guys. And of course, I'll come back and I will do a full tutorial with all my goodies for you guys at a later date. Next up, I got the KLARITY, the Discovery Layering Perfume Set. Has a set of 8 eau de parfums. And if you are new here, I love KLARITY fragrances. I feel like they smell incredible. They last a long time on my skin. There's been a couple that I didn't really care for, but generally speaking, they're one of my favorite perfume brands. Next up, I got the Westman Atelier, the Petite Edition little collection. And it has the Petite I Want You mascara, the Petite Baby Cheeks blush stick, and then the Petite Lit Up highlight stick as well. And the reason that I opted for this is because my favorite contour stick of all time is from Westman Atelier. It is the shade Biscuit, and I love it. I feel like this is a really good time to shop as well, specifically because of products like this, where you can kind of go in and test things, discovery kits, Sephora favorites sets, things like that, and we can, you know, try products for not a whole lot of money. So super excited to try that, and if you've tried anything here, please comment and let me know. Next up, I got the Tatcha the Kissu Lip Mask in the Sunset Kiku. I am incredibly excited to try this. I have not tried a whole lot from Tatcha, but I've also heard really great things, and y'all, I'm not gonna lie, that packaging got me. It's so incredibly beautiful. Next up, I got just a mini of the Dr. Dennis Gross, the Plump and Repair Lip Treatment. It was like a cute little ornament. I've also heard great things about this, and I am a big fan of lip plumpers. I love them. Next up, I was gonna get, and I put it in like my little wish list video that I did previously, I was gonna get the Fenty Beauty Riri lip liner because I had the gloss and stuff like that, but I opted to test one from Sephora. It's the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner, and I got the shade Hot Sauce. I think I have tried this previously. I think I had one and I really did like it. Next up, I got the Inky List, the Caffeine Eye Cream. Formulated for all, best for tired eyes, and it helps to reduce the appearance of tired eyes. And this is obviously a treatment. I may test this with you guys now, actually, because all I have on is skincare. And then next up, I got this set from Fenty. I'm a big fan of also Fenty Skin, Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Hair, the Curl Crew Instant Damage Repair treatment, and then a curl defining cream set. Again, an affordable way for me to test this out, and then if I really like the products, then I can kind of invest and get the full-size products. Obviously, I do have wavy hair, not super curly hair, but I'm always on the hunt for products like this, so super excited to test that out, and that is a newer launch for them. Next up, this is the Kosas Blush is Life Trio, and again, I like getting things like this, like little discovery kits. I love the packaging here, but it has 3 mini blushes. It's got Butterflies, which is a cool baby pink. It has Bliss, which is warm peachy pink, and then Euphoria, which is a cool pinky mauve. So I'm so excited to try that. I love this little packaging. I do kind of want to open it up. The only bad thing I've heard about this, first of all, it kept going out of stock. I've heard that there's they're tiny. They're tiny. Wow. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I think it was 30 bucks. Yeah, it was $30 and then 20% off of that. Okay, yeah, that's pretty dang small, you guys. I typically like to go in with like an open fluffy brush. So I think it'll still work. I think it's gonna work, you guys. And I like baked blushes. I'm also a huge fan of Kosas products. Yeah, these are small. Just kind of for comparison, I wish I had a quarter in here with me. I don't feel like they're much bigger than what a quarter would be. I mean, that's teeny tiny, you guys. But yeah, I like that I can try all 3 of these. I have something for like wintertime, summertime, and I can kind of change out my shades. So I'm still excited about it, but yeah, that was the one thing I kept hearing was that they were super teeny tiny. Next up, I think I'm gonna go ahead and gift this because I have the KLE set. This is the Love Shack Fancy Perfume Library, and it's got like the little 3 like mini fragrances in here. And I feel like because I have the other ones, I don't need this. Do I need any of this? No, we do not need any of this. But if you're on the hunt and you're wanting to shop, then I think the Sephora sale is a good way to go. Next up, something else I've been wanting to try is the Fenty Beauty Fenty Cheeks, the Suede Powder Blush. I did get the shade Bacon Cakes. And I was opting for, typically in the spring and summer months, I'm going more like bronzy, you know, peachy. I love red blushes and stuff like that. And then obviously I lose my tan in the winter time. So I was opting for something. That's also really small. Like deceptively small. Okay, y'all. Anyways, but kind of moving into the winter months and stuff like that, I wanted to try to find things that were a little bit more kind of neutral leaning. So I'm really excited about this. I do want to swatch it. Whoa! That has a beautiful texture to it. Like the suede is aptly named. Oh, I'm so excited. Y'all, if I didn't already have, you know, taken my shower and have clean skin, I would totally demo these for y'all right now. But look, it's coming. It's coming, you guys. Next up, from the Sephora collection, and all the Sephora collection for everybody through the sale is 30% off. So really good deal there. But I got a little thing of I got a little foot mask. I'm a fan of these. I do them like every few-ish months. And then last but not least, and then I'll show you my couple little samples that I ended up getting and make sure that's everything. Yes. Last but not least, and I hope I like this better than the previous years, is the new Pat McGrath Holiday Collection palette. This is the Luminous Legends, the Mega Eyeshadow palette. It is her limited edition one for holiday for this year. I do really quickly want to open it, and I want to just make sure that it's not broken or anything. I saw a couple of reviews that said that this is on par with kind of her traditional, you know, formula and stuff like that. And this one is, let me just double check, made in Italy. Yes, so I'm hoping this is better than the previous years. And it is gorgeous, and it's all in one piece. Oh, you guys. Oh, I'm excited. I kind of feel like even just looking at these, they look like her traditional formula. I have purchased a couple of the holiday palettes before, and I was not really a fan of them. Matter of fact, I don't have any of them anymore. So when I saw this, I kind of was like, no, I don't think I'm gonna get it. And then I saw a couple of reviews. I've had a couple other beauties say that they were picking it up. So I was like, you know what? It's worth a shot. So when I do come back to test all of these, I have the foundation, I have the palette, I've got the blushes and stuff like that. We'll test out the lip liner, the lip plumper, the Kissou lip thing. I'm excited, you guys. Okay, I think I'm going to just kind of see how this feels randomly really quickly. What is a caffeine eye cream? This is a lightweight cream containing caffeine, an antioxidant derived from coffee that helps to reduce puffiness, the appearance of dark circles, and helps prevent skin from the impact of free radicals. And then it says use in the AM and PM on clean skin. Apply a small amount onto the finger and gently pat around the eyes. Follow up with your moisturizer. Oh, I already put moisturizer on. I'm still gonna try it. I just want to see how it feels. So yeah, and this was like, Inky List is incredibly affordable on there. So to be able to get this and 20% off, yes please. I do like the component. I'm gonna take a tiny little bit. So I'm gonna put a mirror right here. And when they're saying pat or tap, this is kind of what I do, and I'm using my ring finger so that it does not apply too much pressure. And if this would have said like work it into the skin or anything like that, you know, you want to kind of go in an upward, outward sweeping motion. It kind of feels a little bit cooling. I don't know that it is supposed to be. And obviously, you know, I may not notice a drastic difference right this second. I do tend to have a little bit of darkness around my eyes, a little bit of puffiness, especially because your girl has allergies really badly. So, okay, texture feels lovely. It feels super lightweight and stuff like that. So yeah, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for joining. Don't forget, you guys, I have a massive 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I'll link it right here for you. It will also be linked in my description box as well. Really good giveaway, you guys. I'm like 40-ish subscribers away from hitting that goal. Good luck if you do go and enter. Thank y'all so much for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.